Hi everyone, my name is Dhia Irba and my student number ID is 250512300122. And here we will discuss about a review article, research article, and a case report. So first we have a research article with title Content Fatigue, Performance, and Failure Mechanism of FE-based small module car fabricated using powder metallurgy techniques. This was published on Journal of Material Research and Technology. Next is a review article with the title Insight into Modern Machine Learning Approaches for Building Fault Classification, a systematic literature review. This was published on Result in Engineering. And last is a case report with the title Impact of Adding Waste Polyethylene and Silica Fume on the Engineering Properties of Cement Mortar. This was published on Case Studies in Chemical and Environmental Engineering. So in the first research article, it talks about the content fatigue, performance, and associated failure mechanism of PMT fabricated VFE-based small model gears have been comprehensively investigated, and PFD can be a very successful method to fabricate gears with excellent fatigue performance. So the next article is the review article. This article is the evaluation study is used to explore machine learning models in order to gain a deeper understanding of how to classify faults in rolling bearing based on vibration. And last is the case report. This report is talk about the influence of cement mortars engineering properties and durability with plastic sand to replace conventional fine aggregate at several subregion percentage. Next, we will analyze the structure of that three articles. So first is the research article. The research article is usually have a solid structure. That first it is an abstract. Next is an introduction, literature review, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. And for the structure of the review article has more liquid structure. The structure of review article is more liquid because it usually depends on the article that they review, but they have some common structure like abstract, introduction, and conclusion. And between the introduction and conclusion, there is a review of the article. The structure of the case report is also more liquid than the research article because it depends on the phenomenon or a case that they pick, and it may vary based on the study program. Next, we will discuss about the content and purpose between the three articles. So first is the research article. Research article usually give us information, the data from their research. And the purpose is to make us easier to read the data, make audience easier to read the data because it gives in a structural article. And next is the review article. The review article, the contents, there is a review, the article. The insight is the someone reviewing the article they pick. And the purpose is to summarize an article and analyze with critical thinking. And sometimes they could point out an error in the article if there are any. And last is case report. Case report have the content, it gives us the data about their case, like a phenomenon or documenting a phenomenon. And the purpose of case report is to give us to share the detailed information of a phenomenon. And they usually also analyze and hypothetically make a statement about that case. And lastly, from that three article, a research article is more research in their data, and review article is reviewing an article, and case report is reporting a case or phenomenon. And I prefer reading a review article because we don't have to do research and gain all data from ourselves. And that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.